Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can restore the deleted conversations in Messenger. So for that you need to open up your Facebook account and then click on the three lines at the bottom or at the top, basically your profile. So it can appear in a different way in different phones, but the process is similar. So just click on the three lines and then scroll down. After that, click on settings and privacy and then click on settings. And after that, in the search settings, just search for download profile information and then just open it up. And after that, you will find a list of activity across your Facebook. So basically these are your activities on Facebook and you can recover this data. So it is all selected. So what we will do is just deselect all of it and just select the messages part of it, so we can just restore or retrieve the messages. And after that, just scroll down to the very end and then you will be able to find here this information of all of the data or a particular date range. So basically it is up to you how much data you are looking to retrieve. It can be all of your data or a particular date range. So just select accordingly, and after that select the format of this data and then the media quality, and then click on create file. And depending on the size of the data that you will be retrieving from Facebook, this will take different time, might be taken. For some people it might be taken more than 4 hours or maybe 5 hours if the size of the data is quite huge, and if your data is quite less, then it might be done within 15 or 5 minutes. So this is how you create or retrieve the data from Facebook even if it is deleted. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.